Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Robotech. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. This device is making waves for bringing flagship features to a more affordable range. Stick around as we explore every aspect in detail and find out if it's the perfect mid-range smartphone for you. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a stunner. The glass back and aluminum frame not only provide a premium feel, but also contribute to the phone's durability. Let's take a closer look at the design elements that set it apart from the competition. The Samsung's S23 FE stands out with its sleek design, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame and a glossy glass back that gives it a premium look and feel. Its simplicity adds to its charm, making it user-friendly and comfortable to hold. The choice of materials ensures durability, capable of withstanding everyday bumps and scratches. Every detail, from the smooth curves to the polished finish, contributes to its overall elegance. Samsung has crafted a phone that not only looks good, but also delivers reliable performance. Whether you are browsing, messaging, or capturing moments, the Samsung S23 FE offers a seamless experience that blends style with functionality, making it a standout choice in the smartphone market. However, there is a bit of gloom with this design. The smartphone is excessively heavy, weighing in at 209 grams, about 737 ounces. Compare that to the flagship S23 weight of 168 grams, about twice the weight of a deck of playing cards, and you will feel a major difference. The S23 FE display, boasting a generous size of 163.1mm or 158.9mm, 6.3 inches, delivers an immersive visual experience. With a resolution of 1080x2340e, every detail is crisp and clear, making content consumption a delight. Utilizing dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, the quarter display ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast ratios, elevating viewing quality. Its 16mm color depth further enhances color accuracy and richness, rendering images and videos with lifelike precision. Moreover, the S23 FE's display offers an impressive max refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring smooth transitions and fluid animations, making interactions seamless and responsive. Whether gaming, streaming, or browsing, the S23 FE display delivers an exceptional visual performance. Under the hood, the S23 Fan Edition is packing some serious power. With the latest flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, this phone promises a smooth and snappy experience. But how well does it handle demanding tasks and gaming? Let's push it to the limits and see if it lives up to the performance hype. In terms of storage, the Samsung S23 Fan Edition has a lot of choices to offer. It comes with a standard 8GB RAM alongside either a 102,008GB SSD or a 256GB SSD. The Samsung S23 Fan Edition boasts a versatile camera setup, with each lens offering distinct capabilities to cater to various photography needs. The primary camera impresses with a high-resolution 50-megapixel sensor, ensuring sharp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Alongside, the ultra-wide lens provides a wider field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group shots with its 12-megapixel resolution. Additionally, the telephoto lens offers 8-megapixel resolution, enabling users to zoom in closer to subjects without compromising image quality. With this combination of high-resolution sensors and diverse focal lengths, the S23 Fan Edition empowers users to capture stunning photos with precision and clarity, regardless of the scene or distance. The pictures taken by this phone are a true testament to this. No matter how powerful a phone is, it's only as good as its battery life. The S23 FE comes with a substantial battery, promising all-day usage. But how well does it hold up under heavy usage? And let us not forget about the fast-charging that wraps up our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below,